Good morning mga ka-feeling! It's me again on a random day. So for today's video, this is my first time na magsuot ng contact lens. Kaya nahirapan talaga ako na tanggalin ito. At buti na lang, andyan si Yam to the rescue.
Madam Jonas! Katagam dito. Laban. Tanaw sa ako.
Peaceful day is slowly rising. No need to rush, no need to run. I'll take my time and feel the sun.
Biyong yun. Boligaton, be. Lagi promise na lang.
Breathing in the quiet day. Simple moments everywhere. Life feels good when it is slow, like a gentle river flow. And I smile cause I can see this calm is all I really need. A little peace, a little grace in my own happy place. These are my gentle days.
Salamat ako, maragyo.
Garden mornings, open sky, living life with peaceful vibes. These are my gentle days, cooking love in my own way. Every moment warm and bright, everything just feels so right.
Mag-lens.
In the kitchen, sounds are glowing. Little dreams are softly growing. Stirring love, the simple meal. This is what I wanna feel. Out in time, the road is calling. Golden sunset slowly falling. Hotel lights, a quiet stay. Memories made along the way.
That's all mga ka-feeling. Don't forget to like and share our video and follow for more. And leave a comment so I can visit your house too. This is Jay Rivera, Feeling Vlogger. Bye!